Welcome to 767 Jordan Way in Lehi, Utah. I'm Amber Almond with the Walker Hall Group, and let's peek inside. This beautiful home features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a 2-car garage with an oversized RV pad, and plenty of living space. It's in the desirable Jordan Willows neighborhood in Lehi, Utah. Step inside to your formal living room. Use this space for a piano room, a space to greet guests and hide those dirty dishes in the kitchen, or an open concept office space. Continue on into the home and you'll find the kitchen with beautiful granite countertops, plenty of counter space for prepping meals, and check out that pantry. That could be a room of its own. Tucked away past the dining space is a spacious and comfortable living room, perfect for relaxing after a good meal or at the end of a long day. Let's head upstairs where you'll find 3 bedrooms and a loft space. This loft is the perfect playroom or second living room. Check out the size of the master bedroom. Comfort is sure to find you here. The master closet won't disappoint, and how about the master bathroom with granite countertops that go on and on? What will you do with all of that counter space? The jetted tub and Euro shower complete with the relaxing rain head. This is a true master retreat. One last feature upstairs is the laundry room is here. No more lugging baskets up and down the stairs on laundry day. Now, homes in most of the Jordan Willows neighborhood don't feature basements, but this home makes up for it with the large and spacious crawl space that the current seller is using for storage. Bonus, it has easy stair access and is taller than most crawl spaces. Let's step outside. This home sits on a corner lot, making it feel open and spacious. With beautiful spaces for flowers and shrubs in the front and ample space for gardening and getting the wiggles out outside in the back, you've got everything. Wait, I almost forgot to mention the large RV pad ready for extra parking or storage. Lastly, we cannot forget the location. The Jordan Willows neighborhood is perfectly located in between Saratoga Springs and the Lehi City Center. Easy access to Redwood Road, 2100 North, Main Street, and I-15. Grocery stores, schools, restaurants, and all sorts of entertainment options lie within minutes of this home. Well, it's all ready and waiting for you. For a private showing of this darling home and everything magnificent it has to offer at 767 Jordan Way in the Jordan Willows neighborhood of Lehi, Utah, call me today. At the Walker Hall Group, we help our clients buy with confidence and sell with success.